Okay, over here at the gun range, Kelly's Guns and Ammo, got the Bear Creek Arsenal 6.5 Grendel, and shooting 100 grain full metal jackets, 10 round mags, New York Safe AR15. Just another day at the range. Yeah. All right, got some bowling pins out there, and you gotta make sure you have your mask on at all times here, even when you're shooting. Stay safe. All right, this is for my brother Anthony Lacanto, Patterson PD. All right, I'm gonna try to stabilize this thing, and we're gonna blast some rounds. Here we go. Fire in the hole. And watch them bowling pins, right? Here we go. I think they'd about had it. Oh yeah.